Hello, my dear students of class 9. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about the rational use of energy. Come to page number 5. See, to check the impact of global warming, alternate energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, etc. are to be used to generate electricity in place of fossil fuels in power generating plants. Now, what is calorific value of fuels? Fuels are the substances which can burn or which can undergo combustion in air, such as coal, cow dung cakes, matchstick, petrol, diesel, kerosene, alcohol, LPG. Fuels are those substances which we burn in order to get energy. Alright, what is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. So all fuels produce heat on burning. But different fuels produce different amounts of heat on burning. Such a difference, that is fuel efficiency, is expressed in terms of its calorific value. Now the amount of heat produced in kilojoule by complete burning or complete combustion of 1 kilogram of fuel is called its calorific value. That is how much heat is being produced if I completely burn 1 kg of fuel or 1 gram of a fuel, then the amount of heat that is produced in kilojoule is known as its calorific value. It is expressed as kilojoule per kg or kilojoule per gram. So this is the chart given for different types of fuels. Cow dung cakes, they produce 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoule per kg. Coal, they produce this much. Biogas is there, petrol, CNG and LPG is this much. Now, what does the statement mean? That the calorific value of any substance is this. For example, the calorific value of kerosene is 48,000 kilojoule per kg. This means that if 1 kilogram of kerosene is burnt completely, then 48,000 kilojoule amount of heat is produced. Now, higher the calorific value of a fuel, that means more heat will be produced on burning 1 kg of that substance, and better is the fuel. Next, necessity of conservation of fossil fuels. Why do we need to conserve fossil fuels? Most of our energy requirements are met by burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas. These on combustion produce harmful substances like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, soot, etc., which pollutes the air around us. Their stocks are also very limited, right? Fossil fuels are not something that you will get forever. They are non-renewable. So, misuse of these fuels should be avoided. Rather, we are looking for alternate or renewable or non-conventional sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, biofuel, biogas. Alright. So let us start with solar energy. Sun is the main source of all the energies. The energy obtained from the sun is known as the solar energy. Today, scientists are able to make solar cookers, solar water heaters, and many other solar devices which are dependent on the solar energy. Alright, a single solar cell can produce electricity on a very small scale, that is in watches, in transistors, calculators, and for domestic purposes in remote village areas. Solar batteries are used in space flight to obtain more electricity and more electric power. A large number of solar cells joined together, they form a solar panel. These are used in artificial satellites, space stations, water pumps, street lighting, etc. Next, we are having wind energy. The energy obtained from very fast moving wind is called wind energy. It is a natural source of energy. It is available in the high wind regions without any cost. Now, in this type of questions, you will, in from this type of part, the questions that are going to come is what is this? That is, what is wind energy? And write any two advantages of it. All right, and some uses also. So you have to understand that why is it more advantageous. It is a natural source of energy. All these energies are natural sources of energy. They are renewable. They are never going to finish off. So it is available, and whether it is cheap or not, it is available in the high wind regions without any cost. So wind energy is available easily. It also causes no pollution. Nowadays, high speed wind energy is used in wind turbine to generate electricity. Also, windmills are used to grind grains. The working of a windmill depends on the velocity of the winds, that is, how fast the winds are moving. Next, we are having tidal energy. The energy obtained from the rising tides in coastal areas is called tidal energy. In general, it is not enough to generate electricity on a large scale by tidal energy, but it is harnessed for generating electricity by constructing a dam. You know what a dam is? Across a comparatively narrower opening to the sea. Alright, so tidal energy is obtained in this way. Next, geothermal energy. Now, the term geo means earth and thermal means heat. So, from the earth's heat, the energy that is obtained is known as geothermal energy. It is the energy obtained from the heat of the core of the earth. At few places, rocks under the earth's surface remain very hot, and the heat turns our underground water into steam, which are compressed at higher pressure between the rocks. Drilling holes through pipes into such places, steam is ejected through the pipes, which in turn rotates the turbine to generate electricity. In our country, in Madhya Pradesh, there is one such power station. So, geothermal power station is in Madhya Pradesh. Alright. So, I hope you have understood, children. I am ending this video session over here today. In the next class, I will complete with the rest of the chapter. Alright. Take care. Please learn as much as we have discussed. Thank you, class.